cook.
Then immediately take out it like this.
Leaves you just dip within a minute, take it out and eat. Otherwise it becomes
Very soft.
Happy New Year, everybody. Today we are going to make a traditional Chinese dish, which is hot pot.
Sichuan hot pot.
Explain.
Sichuan hot pot with the Sichuan spices, you know. Now like this, okay?
What's the name of this spice?
This is Sichuan spices for hot pot.
Trans spices,
Yeah, Sichuan.
available in Chinese groceries.
Yeah.
And then we have
Besides this, I put some herbs, date.
dates, Chinese dates are there.
Chinese
Star spices is there, gochis are there,
mushroom,
and mushroom,
some Sichuan pepper,
Sichuan pepper, yes,
ginger,
ginger,
then 叫什么
spring onion,
spring onion,
yes,
and this one is a long gone, just that a kind of
that's another
fruit
Chinese
fruit.
fruit, dried fruit. Now put water
Yeah.
and start boiling the whole mixture. And this will be the hot pot.
Sauce.
Now these are the ingredients which will be used as sauces to dip what is in the hot pot, and we will explain that. Now these are the chopped spring onion, chopped coriander
leaves,
and pulped
garlic,
garlic.
mixed with water and the salt.
Yeah, crushed, mix and ground with water. And that one is green spice, available in Chinese supermarket.
Eat a hot pot. You must eat this.
Now this green sauce comes in bottles like this.
Here,
Now that's sesame
paste.
cream diluted with water, and sesame pulp is coming in bottles. Now that sesame paste comes in a bottle. That sesame paste comes in a bottle which is diluted in water. These are other sauces. Ready-made comes in packed cups like this, which is available also in Chinese groceries. These are the items which will be dipped into the hot pot. Chinese cabbage, sliced mutton, thinly sliced rolled mutton slices, tofu, radish sliced, seaweeds, mushroom, another variety of tofu cubes cut into slices, salad leaves, Chinese cabbage or Chinese salad leaves, prawns, and a crab, corn, tofu, dried tofu, mushroom. Then we have another paste, Chinese paste, which also available in supermarkets. These are the whole lot which will be used as dippers. The water ingredients are boiling. This is the hot pot. This is the way to mix these spices, these ingredients into a cup.
Sesame more.
Everything as per your choice and for your taste. You can decide the proportions from the various tastes
Yeah, like
of
this,
each
like
of these dishes.
Now I will prepare
The mixture is boiling enough. Now add ingredients into the boiling water. Now add mutton, sliced and rolled mutton. That is sour vegetable. Comes in packets in Chinese groceries. This is addition of seaweeds
and the frozen tofu.
and frozen dolls. Frozen tofu, in other words.
Now boiling.
Let these ingredients boil, come to a boil, then you can start consuming. Make sure to add the items which need to be boiled longer, such as these items. Leaves you can put at the final stages because it doesn't need to be heated well. Remove excess fat deposits from the surface of the boiling dish. Meats and frozen items must be boiled at first.
With a little salt.
Add a pinch of salt to your taste.
You can take to eat. Huh?
Now you start adding. Some items are now ready to eat. You can
like
extract it from
Like
the
this.
hot pot
Yeah.
and dip into your dish, all which already prepared with sauces. Mix it and consume. This is a dish usually taken during the winter because the whole family gathers together around the table and
Like this.
enjoy the dish with the whole family together. Now the items have been boiling for some time, 10-15 minutes. Now you can add leaves. You can reduce the temperature, add leaves which are softer and easy to cook.
Then immediately take out like this.
Leaves you just dip within a minute, take it out and eat. Otherwise it becomes
Very soft.
softer.